Ulit. Para sa bagong kasal, ulit.
Lord, just give me this man, and I promise to take care of him and love him for the rest of my life. And then, miracle happened. God answered my prayer. He gave me you.
Hindi madali yung 10 years. Siyempre, maraming pagsubok. Pero, praise God. Kasi, nang dahil sa Kanya, nakakayanan namin lahat.
Sabi na kasi, swerte ka kako. Len mo naman, matangkad, magandang lalaki,
Bayad ba kayo?
matalino, madiskarte, mapagmahal, at higit sa lahat, walang bisyo. Ako talaga yung tunay, swerte. Kasi your love is beyond emotion. Your love is not just a feeling. Your love is a choice. Your love is a reflection of God's love. And I'm so grateful to have experienced God's love in you.
Faith over fear.
After 10 years, gusto namin i-celebrate. Kasi dun ko na-realize, no? Ganito pala yung marriage. Magkasama pa rin kayo. At hindi magiging possible lahat yun na wala yung Panginoon na nakaantabay. Huwag kang iyak! Love you. Eh, ba't ka umiiyak?
Darling,
Wala pa.
darling, baby, Soy, Faith, Lumen, love. Marami nang nangyari sa loob ng 10 years. Marami na rin tayong naging tawagan. Marami tayong natutunan. Pero isa lang ang hindi nagbago. Ang ganda mo pa rin.
Our newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Prince and Faith Gatos!
Ting tayo magkalapit, di matagong ka pa sa tuwing ika'y hinaharana, di makatulog sa ating pananapik. Pwede ba tayong bumalik sa ating unang halik? Paborito ko ang iyong ngiti.
There were many times that I feel like giving up.
Hawak ko ang iyong
But through every challenge, God was with us. He guided our steps, held us together, and taught us what true love really means.
sa'yo lang naman aking
He showed us that when we choose to love the way He loves, with grace, forgiveness, and faith, every hardship becomes lighter.
Naaalala mo pa ba ang ating unang pagkikita? Kislap sa ating mata tuwing tayo magkalapit, di matagong ka pa sa tuwing ika'y inaharana, di makatulog sa ating pananapik. Pwede ba tayong bumalik sa ating unang
I promise to continue choosing you, to pray with you and for you. I promise to love you with a heart anchored in God and with Him leading us. I know that no matter what comes our way, we will always find our way back to each other. I love you so much, darling. I will always.
tayo magkalapit, di matagong ka pa sa tuwing ikaw ay naharana, di makatulog sa ating pananapik. Pwede ba tayong bumalik sa ating unang
Pwede. Pwede ba? Pwede naman, no?